What's this be gonna drop, y'all? Hey.
Another day, another boat.
Another day. Final boat. Are you going to use 20?
Yeah, but the thing is, because
I can give you my 5.
Stay hand of a soba.
I don't know what the next line is.
You could have paid his order.
What? This is the first ecological airport in the world? What? You need to know what that means. No? According this flight to Lima, LATAM Airlines. Buddy, let's go. Oh, damn, diddly damn.
Oh shit, oh. Should we eat all of them?
I want to see how it tells us to stop.
And his first time at the bar.
What's Bimo saying? Let's go.
Ooh, so there are 4 floors. I didn't realize it was the whole place. Whoa, this space is huge. Uno. Nice. Okay.
Bedroom numero dos.
What?
What? What are we paying for this?
$50.
$50.
$50 per night each.
$50 in total for the 3 nights.
Total?
Another bedroom up here.
What?
For your family.
What the fuck?
Right, what time is it? You left our door open upstairs.
Y al final no fuiste.
Got zero coffee here.
What time? We have no work, no kids to school, no homework.
No homework. We didn't do homework anyway. No.
Is this a look?
It's a look.
This is a look.
So you guys are getting the same as me? Please get different ones to make sure.
First feed in Peru.
Already ate. That was good.
Well fed.
You ready to do some walking?
We're ready.
Built in 17th century, and it has Baroque style. Spanish soldiers listened when they arrived here. They listened. Remake, they understood Lima. The name Lima got very popular. By that reason, everybody said Lima. But the real name is the City of the Kings. St. John Evangelista Church, Francis Pizarro's tomb, is located in that building. And also it has a museum about religious art. Because a lot of people tried to take this main square and they did demonstrations against the president, Dina Boluarte.
Hola, ¿qué hay? ¿Ya te permiso?
The news in the TV exaggerated the situation here because they said Peru is having war in Lima. That was not true. The problem was in Cusco, Arequipa, Puno, but not in Lima. This, and this. Lima means Cusco Lima. When the Spanish soldier arrived here, the river was no more population, more pollution.
What's inside Emoliente?
Different kinds of herbs. Poldo, alfalfa. Alfalfa is a green herb.
Alfalfa, sí, por favor. Gracias. Gracias. ¿Y cuánto cuesta, señor?
Son 50 nomás.
1.50.
Claro,
Vale.
nada más. Hola.
Dollar bills. Have you tried it?
I'm gonna.
Gracias. Gracias, señor. Yeah.
It's like super thick, yeah. And sweet. It's nice.
Gracias.
Yeah.
Mayor in the city. Fernandini's cow, all this was built in 1570.
Andy, what you getting?
Churro. Churro.
Está lleno de
I don't know what's in it.
Dulce de leche.
Caramel, maybe? Dulce de leche.
¿Qué es? Picarones.
Picarones.
So I guess it's kind of sticky.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Nice. Yeah.
Let me try.
Thank you.
What's on it? What's this sauce? Have that one. Why? What's wrong with that one?
That's the one I had.
Well,
I just bit it.
it's alright.
Ooh, what does it taste like?
It's like really soft and gooey on the inside,
It's
crispy on the inside, outside.
Like
But
it?
it's up. Yeah, it's better than the churro.
And it's got spices.
I want to try.
Oh, well, it's like Maybelline.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually.
I like this one. $100 bill, yo. Excited. Let's go. Yeah.
Doesn't look like a
I wish for world peace.
I see you.
Yeah,
I
now.
wonder what these things say. Oh my god, it's
Bruh. Bruh.
Yeehaw! Girls! Yo! not 2 shots. That's literally 2 bottle cap words.
Bottle cap word.
Okay, I think we're... Okay, no, that's 2. No. Guess.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you, fam. I don't trust you. Yo.